Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends on PS4 for beginners. First, head to the PlayStation Store and download Apex Legends, which is completely free. Once installed, launch the game and immediately dive into the comprehensive tutorial. This essential training will guide you through fundamental movements, shooting mechanics, and using your abilities. After the tutorial, you'll select your initial legend, each offering distinct tactical and ultimate skills to master. Next, let's cover core gameplay. Movement is key. Practice sliding, climbing, and using zip lines to navigate the map quickly. Efficient looting is crucial for survival. Always look for better weapons, body shields, and healing supplies like shield cells and syringes. Remember, you can carry up to 2 weapons. Finally, utilize the intuitive ping system to communicate enemy locations, item discoveries, and strategic points with your 2 teammates, even without a microphone. When combat begins, focus on aiming and shooting. Apex Legends features many weapon types, from assault rifles to shotguns, each with unique handling. Teamwork is vital. If a teammate is downed, quickly revive them. If they are eliminated, grab their banner and take it to a respawn beacon to bring them back into the fight. Don't forget to deploy your Legend's tactical ability, which has a short cooldown, and their powerful ultimate ability, which charges over time. To truly improve, experiment with various Legends. Each of the 25 or more Legends offers a unique playstyle, so find one that suits you best. Always keep an eye on the map for the shrinking ring. Staying outside it will damage you. The game features 3 distinct map rotations, so learn their layouts. Finally, spend time in the firing range. This dedicated practice area allows you to test all weapons and legends without pressure, honing your aim and abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.